If your Skoda Fabia MK3 doesn't want to start because the key fob battery is dead, and when you press the start button, you see the key not detected or whatever else it shows you, and it doesn't start. Of course, this works for push button cars, not with the keyless entry and push button, not like with this simple cylinder. So if this happens, what you need to do, like in Japanese cars, you need to take your key fob and press the engine start button with the key fob. And in this case, your car will recognize the key fob even if it doesn't have any battery at all. Or you can just replace the battery, which is quite easy. You can open this key fob with your hands. First get the metal key out, and then just with your fingers take this cap out. And here is the battery. In my case it's CR2032, or you may have CR2025. Actually any battery can fit in here, and then just put it back together. It's very easy in these cars.